going on, y'all? This your boy Chevy 254, man, and you tuned in for another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
Make sure you click that bell icon so you get all the notifications. And of course, make sure you subscribe too. First subscribe, then click the bell icon. Let's get into it.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my
254, and you know what it is. In these trenches, in these streets, Box Chevy King of Central motherfucking Texas, bringing you every box Chevy to hit the yard in my area. Let's go. You gotta do it.
Y'all see? Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, Real to Real. Y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? But hey, if y'all don't know me, this is my name. Yeah, it's RELLTOREAL. Make sure y'all come check me out, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell and be notified every time I post a video. And then make sure you subscribe to this channel while you watching it right now, cause you ain't got nothing else better to do with your time right now. You know, like Mike F saying, hey, I ain't got nothing to do with my time right now, but he said he did have something to do. So hey, you got something to do now. Hit that subscribe button and go ahead. Join his notification gang too, you know what I'm saying?
Already, man. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. As y'all know, I got this package I'm getting ready to ship up. Hold on. What is that? What do we have here? Let's get into it. So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Chevy 254. As you can see, we have a package. I was not expecting this so early. I'm not even sure that I know exactly what it is. So let's get a pair of handy dandy scissors, cut this bad boy open, check out the invoice, see what it is. I've been sitting here all morning. I ain't heard nothing on the radio. Not a radio. I ain't heard nothing on the radio about it or nothing like that. So, I want to say I just ordered this a couple days ago. So it came very, very quick. And I like that. You spend money and you want that shit to come quick. So. Alright, so let me go ahead and open up the box and show y'all what we got. See, it looks like I ordered a piece of wood, but that is just to keep it straight, keep it, the way it's supposed to be. So actually what I ordered is, alright, so as you can see here, now you can kind of see, well, I guess you still can't see. Pretty sure you can see. Y'all can see. Alright, so basically what we got here, man, is brand new window sweeps. One side goes to the door. The other side goes on top of the door panel. And it keeps water from getting inside the doors and them rusting out and everything like that. So, just one of the things that, it had to be gotten. So this is a well-needed addition to the car, and it will keep the water out of the inside of the door, and make sure that it will be good to go. Let me go ahead and open up one of these. I ain't gonna open up all of them, but let me just show you one and show you the quality or whatever, just in case you think about picking up a pair for your two-door. I believe pretty sure they got photo stuff too. Two-door stuff is usually harder to find. So when I seen these, I just grabbed them. I stopped kind of procrastinating on two-door shit, or stuff that I want for my box Chevy. Shoulda go quick, man. Shoulda go quick. So let me open this up and I'll show you what we're working with. Alright, so as you can see, all new felts. All new felt. Those sweet joints. All new shiny little trim on the inside or the outside. I believe this goes on the door, so this would be like the passenger side door. And that just clips or mounts on the inside of it. I believe that's how it goes. That should help with the rattling. I know on the test drive video, you know what I'm saying, the bad boy was rattling and stuff. So now, once we get these installed in, it should stop the rattling. There's a couple other pieces I'm still trying to check on. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with them, but I will put them all in the same video. As I told y'all, not necessarily video production slowing, but as far as just a whole bunch of little videos, I'm gonna just start putting together a whole video for you. It's 20 minutes long, and y'all can watch that and then give me time to handle other stuff and get stuff done. So, and look at what we have here. Another box. It's like magic. It's the magic of editing. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. So as you can see, it's a box full of plushness. No, that's not all it is. Boom. If you don't know what it is, I guess you won't know what it is. Nah. These is the door seals. Get those replaced. Keep the moisture out. All that good stuff. So excited to have these on board. One step closer. Turn you back on when we get another box. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy. You tune in for another one. Yes. You see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSJ 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it a strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.